Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the night vision reflection effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, scroll down to Nightclub, and then we'll be able to find the night vision reflection effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline, and now we're going to just scroll through it to see how it looks. Okay, cool. Now we're going to elongate the effect to fit the entirety of the clip. And with it being highlighted, we're going to go up to the special effects tab and mess with the filter, strength, range, and texture. When you guys mess around with the settings, it changes the effect. So we also can change or actually edit the keyframes, which let's say in the beginning of the effect, we want the filter to be at 10%, strength at 10%, range at 10%, texture at 10%. And then towards as the effect and video are going towards the end, we can increase the filter, the strength, the range, and the texture using keyframes. We have a video on that if you guys want to check that out. All right, so let's play it. That's pretty cool. Well, guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.